Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an RSVP event on Wix. So first, what is this RSVP that I'm talking about? So basically, this is it's like please respond. It's a request for a guest to confirm their attendance at an event, so the host can plan accordingly. RSVP is used to help event organizers prepare for the number of attendees, making arrangements such as food, setting, and accommodation. So to start, you just have to make sure that you have your Wix account. So in creating Wix, you need your Google account, email address, and password, and then create a Wix account right here. So once done, you can try creating a new site. But since I have a few sites right here, you can just basically edit your site. But if you want to create a new one, then of course, what you're going to do is you have to click this create new site right here. Okay, so as you can see, create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. So if you are an agency and you are the one who create events, or you're good at creating events, you have your event agency, then you can try Wix for your website. So they also offer this try Wix Studio, but the feature or the option, anything here like template, is advanced compared to create on Wix editor. So as a beginner, I strongly suggest to try this create on Wix editor. Then you will see this bring your ideas to life with AI. It will ask you to start chat with AI. All you have to do here is add prompts, and then AI will give you the exact template that you're looking for. But this one takes a little bit long, so I strongly suggest to set up without chat. So you will see this one right here. So of course, we are about to create site for event. So you can search for event right here. You can try any of this. So this time, let's just try to click this one and then tap continue. It's now preparing for your dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard. So create your first event. So we're going to add a name of our event right here. This event is workshop seminars. So you can also add the name of your workshop right here if you want to be very specific. Okay, so personal development and leadership workshop. So we're going to create a site for this event or RSVP for this event. Click continue. So what type of event are you hosting? Is it ticketed event or registration only? So we're going to use the second one, or tap the second one, collect RSVPs, set a waitlist. Tap continue. So let your guests know when or where to catch your event. Actually, you can just skip this part and do this one later, or you can try this one now. So for the meantime, let's just skip our part, or skip this part right here. So which tools would you like to add to your website? Let's just say event schedule. Let's just say email marketing or send invitations, and let guests choose their seats. Okay, tap continue, and then you are all set. So continue to dashboard, tap this one right here. So let's just say you have created your site already. We will be focusing on how to set up or add RSVP. Okay, so if you don't know how to create one, then just look for a specific template and just edit everything there. Create your own design. If you don't know how to create one using Wix, you can also try Canva. There's a lot of templates here that you can use, and all you have to do is to edit, design, add your image or your company image or your event image right here, and then share, download, and add this to your Wix. So once you have your design, your design site or template, then let's just focus on your dashboard here. Okay. Now, on the left side, you will see this features and options. And as you can see, there is this events right here. But before that, you can also go to application, tap app market. And then this time, let's search an application here. Let's look for event. Okay, so Wix events and ticket. So event management platform for tickets and RSVP. So we're going to install this to our Wix. Tap this one. So since I have this one already, so what I'm going to do is just click open. And here it is. Now what you're going to do is, of course, you need to click add event right here since we're going to create or add event. So event type, there are two types right here, ticketed event, offer paid or free tickets, set currency and tax, perfect for classes, workshops, and conferences. So since I have choose a workshop, something like that, so I would consider it as a private event. So I'm going to click the second one right here since this is our tutorial. Now below, you're going to add general info. So event name. So I added this unlocking your leadership potential, short teaser. This one is optional. You can add this one later. You can also go to Canva if you can't find an image from media or from Wix. You can go to Canva and then search for, let's just say, seminar. Okay. Now create a logo or picture. For example, let's just choose this one right here. So let's just say this is my face. Okay, tap share and then download. Tap this one right here. Make sure that this one is PNG and then tap download. Now, once you have your image, you can now go back to Wix, upload media, upload from computer. So once done, you can click this add to page. And here it is. So let's move on to event categories. You can add categories here. So select or click create category. So here I've added this leadership skills development. Tap confirm. Now if you want to add more, then you need to click this create category again. Okay, add and then confirm. So at least I have added emotional intelligence, leadership skills, communication, and presentation. Tap confirm. So these are the event categories. A date and time, you can choose a single, recurring event, or to be decided. So let's just say this one is single event, start date. Okay, you can just basically change this and also the time. Everything is up to you. So let's just say 1 p.m. Okay, same thing. Okay, at 5 p.m. Okay, so you can also change the time zone. And then here, you have to click physical location and then add your event location right here. Once done, then you can now add anything about event. Actually, this one is optional, but you can also add this one like create with AI for description or information, add image if you want, add gallery, add video, add file. So for example, I'm going to add image right here. Once done, add to image, add to page. Okay. And then you can also add a caption right here and so on. Okay, so unlocking your leadership potential by Olivia. And then next thing to do is you can now create draft. So now you have your overview of your event details. What you're going to do here is you have to set up everything like the settings, the feature, promotion, and guest. So let's just start with settings. So guests can register on Wix events on Wix events registration page. You can edit this one. So here you can add or you can edit your registration settings, like the guest can register on Wix, registration status, guest limit, and who can RSVP to this event. Also, you can edit this registration form, registration messages, event policies if you want to add. So for example, if I'm going to add, I just have to click edit right here, add policy. So here I have added registration payment. So I have added registration and payment right here and the policy and then tap save. Now I can go back and then you can also edit your thank you message, registration closed message, emails you receive, confirmation email, reminder email, cancellation email, and so on. Also, same thing with features. Okay, if you want to add some features here, like video, schedule, Wix groups, automations, also for promotion, and also for guests. So once you have added everything here and created like send invitations, bio link, create promotional video, and so on, and ready to go. What you're going to do is just click publish, and that's it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.